We are standing outside our buyer's new home. This client was actually a seller and they sold their home and got a replacement property. So we are standing outside their new home and we're doing the blue carpet experience.
We're super excited. This one was a little bit challenging, but you know what? We got it done. We sold their home and we are here now waiting for them to welcome them to their new home.
Come to their new home. Patrick and Amber, we just want to thank you for trusting Blue Monkey, not only with the sale of your home, but with the purchase of your home. It was a pleasure meeting you at an open house almost over a year ago, but here we are today, you know, presenting you keys to your new home.
Super excited for you guys. I know I am there with you guys. We went through all the roller coaster of the sale of your home and the purchase of your home. But you know what? I have to say this. This is a blessing. You guys know why. This is victory. And God has gifted you this home. So we are more than happy and excited to celebrate with you guys. So thank you so much for your business, for your trust, and for our new friendship.
There you go.
Oh. I know.
Patrick, one of Amber, John, coffees.
We're missing Sam.
Sam's working. Both Ruby and Elliot, they were able to pull everything together, able to sell our house, able to get this house. It was a great experience.
It was a good experience.
Yeah, definitely highly recommended.
Smooth transaction. Great communication skills. We definitely recommend them.
We
We love Blue Monkey.